you're spending more than an hour making trading content every day, you're definitely doing something wrong. All right. So I can basically show you the setup most of our clients use, to where, I mean, if you know Dodgy, that guy literally sits on a weekend, basically spends about 2-3 hours, just bangs out like 21 reels, and then he's good for 2 or 3 weeks. Just sends it to an editor and it's all handled. All right. And I'm not saying you need an editor. It will save you a lot of time, maybe like 5 minutes per video. Probably save you like maybe an hour or two per week, especially if they get fast at it and you're really slow at it. But Ryan uses OBS. You can go into video here. So you go into settings, video, change it to an actual 9:16 aspect ratio, and then just have your display capture, put your video capture on top, pop it down here, has it fit as like the bottom 30%. All right. Then when you're recording, basically, you just keep everything in the middle. Like, imagine like a phone layout. Just keep everything in the middle, explain everything like up here. All right. And I did hear some good things today. We had a community call where Brad told me about something called Camtasia, where apparently it can like draw the phone screen on for you, so you know exactly where to. What you can do as well is, if you have a second monitor, you just leave it on your second monitor, having it monitoring exactly where you actually like need to be. You know what I mean? But also, you could like put a piece of tape on your screen if you wanted. Just like measure where your mouse is at the end of the OBS thing. Put a piece of tape there, go over here, put a piece of tape there, and then you know exactly where to stay between. Then all you got to do is record and draw stuff basically on the screen while you're talking. So let's say like I wanted to explain here, right? Hit recording on OBS, go here, and then I'd say my hook while circling this little liquidity sweep, like, oh, this is the, if I had to use one strategy for the rest of my life, this would be it. And then just circle something, circle some sort of setup. I mean, Ryan trades IFGs. This is probably an IFG setup. I don't know. I'm not a trader. Something like that.
Yeah, just make my course actually free.
Have a good little one of those. And then we do just basically explain that. We actually have a checklist on how to do this exact type of content. So if you want access to that, it's going to be the second link in the bio. Basically explains exactly how you should do chart content to not only get the most amount of views, but also pull the right audience with that, where the people that you attract will actually pay you, right? But other than that, I mean, it should be pretty quick. I'd look into Camtasia right here. Make it pretty quick. But I know some of our clients, they like record them drawing on the chart, explaining stuff, and then they'll record a voiceover over that. Wouldn't do that. That wastes too much time. Just do it at the same time. Draw while you're talking. Explain everything visually, and it should be good. If you follow those, you'll get views. And the checklist. Second link in the description.